Turtle is a built-in module used to automate the process of drawing wonderful graphics. It is really fun watching Python programming in action. Import Turtle module and define screen, just like you defined it for TK-Inter module. The background color is selected as light green. The size of the screen is defined using setup command with optional start X and start Y values. This is your screen position with respect to your monitor screen. You may also define the title of the screen if you like. Run the code. A nice light green window is opened with the title. You can change the position of the window by changing start X and start Y values. I have only changed the X position. The screen is moved 500 pixels to right side of the monitor screen. The default cursor shape is classic. You can choose from different geometric shapes like circle, turtle, square, etc. You can select pen color for your drawing as you like. I have selected red color for my pen. The arrowhead is slightly changed to red. You can use English syntax-like commands for moving forward, backwards, etc. I will be using shortcuts for these commands like FD for forward. My arrow has moved 100 pixels in forward direction. Left or LT command will rotate my arrowhead in anti-clockwise direction. I have provided 90 as rotation angle. As direction of my arrowhead is upward after performing LT command. I want to draw a line in upward direction with same 100 pixels. Again, use LT command to rotate the arrowhead so that it is in backward direction to the original one. Move forward further 100 pixels. Then again turn left and move forward 100 pixels. You must have guessed the shape I was up to. Yes, I was trying to draw a square. If you try to close your drawing window, sometimes it just hangs up. A better way to close the window or screen is to use exit on click command. You can control the speed of graphics by using speed command. I have provided speed as 1. It will slow down the making of drawing. If I provide value as 0, the square shape will be readily drawn. To get the X and Y axis position of the cursor, you can use position command. Oops, I missed to use the print command. Let's correct it now. You can see that it is showing the initial position of 0 on both x and y axis. Set position command is used to move the cursor or turtle to desired position on the screen. I have entered -200 as x-axis position. It will move the turtle to the left of initial position. Here, I want to draw a circle of radius 50 pixels. The circle is nicely drawn. But, while moving to position, it has also drawn an undesirable line. Let's find a way to remove it. Use pen up command while moving to new position on the screen. Then use pen down command to start drawing the circle. The problem is solved by this handy command. Time to add some colors to the shapes. You can do it by firstly defining the fill color. I have defined yellow as the fill color. Secondly, you need to use begin fill command before the shapes you want to fill with colors. Similarly, at the end, you will use end fill command. Let's run the code. Looking better. Here, I have imported turtlemodule and defined the turtle screen as in the previous section of this video. New function with name polygon. The clear command will clear the turtle screen. Sides variable asks users to enter the number of sides of polygon. The entry widget of tk-enter module will create the entry widget. The fill color and begin fill commands. The for loop will iterate through a range equal to number of sides of polygon. It will make the pen move forward and then turn left to an angle given by the formula. The end fill command will stop the color filing process. I have also provided button widget to start the polygon function. Finally, main loop command to listen to the tk-enter events. Let's enter different numbers of sides to watch our nicely drawn polygon shapes. I have done the necessary screen setup for my new turtle program. I shall make a ball that will be moving. Let's move our turtle to the leftmost of screen, so that you get a complete view of the movement of the ball. To draw the shape instantaneously, speed value should be 0. The tracer command helps to smoothly transform the screen movement of the graphic. Its value is also set to 0. I have used hide turtle command to hide the pointer. No need to show pointer moving with the ball. The for loop iterates through 10,000 times. I will be using very small forward steps of shape, so higher repetition is required for showing real movement effects. Screen update command updates the screen graphics. While clear command removes the traces of already drawn shape. Fill color and fill command starts filling the shape with color. The circle command with radius of 50 pixels will draw the ball for my program. I have used very small step of 0.2 as forward movement. This will keep the movement of graphic at slow speed. You can experiment with higher values, hence higher speed. Let's run the program. You can watch smooth movement of red ball from left to right of the screen. You can experiment with movement of the ball in different directions. Just watch how a small change in the code will change the movement of the ball from horizontal to upward diagonal movement. The ball will be growing bigger and bigger. It's fun working with Turtle, isn't it? You buy now, very well now the initial steps of setting up your Turtle screen for your next program. I will draw an elegant car for you. The higher pen size values will put weight to drawing lines. Rest of commands you very well know. I will use for loop to draw the lower rectangle of the body of the car. Run the code to see a nice rectangular body of the car is ready for assembly. I need to draw the upper body of the car now. For this, I would use the pen up and go to command to move to some distance on the right of the initial position. Here, I will make a 45 angle to left. Please note that left commands mean anti-clockwise angles while the right command will make a clockwise angle. I am using shortcuts for different commands, like FD for forward, LT for left, RT for right, and BK for backward. It is explained in the previous section. Need tires of the car to finish my job. Again, I shall use pen up and go to command. It would move my turtle to 20 pixels right of the front of the car. This is the right position to start drawing the front wheel of the car. I would change the fill color to gray. The pen color is also changed to black. Let's start drawing the wheel circle of 20 pixels. Repeat the process for the rear wheel as well. We are almost there. Time to run the code to watch our brand new car coming to life. Here she goes.